This video I want to give you some more practice questions regarding dividing square roots. The first example is 3 plus root 27 divided by 9. The answer will be 3 plus 27 is root 3 times root 9 divided by 9. So it's going to be 3 plus root 9 is 3, so it's going to be 3 root 3 divided by 9. And when you simplify it, it's going to be 1 plus root 3 divided by 3. Next example is 6 plus root 45 divided by 6. So it's going to be 45 is 9 times 5. It's going to be square root of 9, square root of 5 divided by 6. Then square root of 9 is 3, 3 root 5 divided by 6. That will make it, if you divide everything by 3, it's going to be 2 plus root 5 divided by 2. Next example is 10 minus square root of 200 divided by 20. Answer is 10 minus 200 is root 2 times root 100 divided by 20. So it's going to be 10 minus 10 root 2 divided by 20. And if we divide everything by 10, it will be 1 minus root 2 divided by 2. Next example is root 180, root 80, not 180, just 80, divided by root 125. Answer is 80 is 16 times 5, and 125 is 25 times root 5. Root 5 and root 5 cancel out. Root 16 is 4, root 25 is 5. So the answer is 4 divided by 5. Next example is root 72 divided by root 200. It will be root 2 times root 36 divided by root 2 times root 100. That makes it 6 divided by 10 or 3 divided by 5. It's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.